Hi everyone, and welcome. Today's topic is all about legally paying your nanny. The IRS considers nannies and other household workers to be employees and not independent contractors. In short, you control the employment by setting your nanny's schedule, directing them on how you would like your children cared for, and supplying the tools and equipment for your nanny to do their job. Any misclassification can result in civil and criminal penalties and fines. Step 1. Obtain your employer IDs. You'll need federal and state employer IDs. You can get your federal employer ID or FEIN through the IRS website. Your state government website will have steps on how to obtain the state employer ID. Step 2. Sign up for a dependent care FSA. This pre-tax benefit account offered by your employer can be used to pay the qualified, out-of-pocket dependent care expenses like your nanny's wages. You can contribute up to $5,000 tax-free, lowering your taxable income. Step 3. Pay your nanny at least the prevailing minimum wage rate. This will be the highest of the federal, state, or local rates. Nannies also receive at least time and a half in overtime hours worked over 40 in a work week. However, state laws may vary. Nannies should be paid for every hour worked as they are not considered salaried workers. And step 4, follow wage laws in your state. Some state wage laws may require you to pay your nanny weekly and include certain information on their pay stubs like hours worked, pay rate, and paid time off accruals. Step 5, withhold and remit taxes. You'll be required to withhold a certain percentage of your nanny's gross pay for FICA taxes and withhold the appropriate amount for income taxes. As an employer, you'll also owe the same amount of FICA as well as state and federal unemployment taxes. Step 6, file year-end tax forms. Your nanny should receive their W-2 from you by January 31st, and you'll need to file the appropriate tax documents with the Social Security Administration by that same date. And with your personal income tax return, you'll include the Schedule H, which will reconcile the household employment taxes you owe with what has already been paid. Step 7, take the child and dependent care tax credit. Your nanny's wages are a qualified expense for tax credit, which can reduce your taxes by $600 if you have one child or $1,200 for 2 or more. The IRS estimates that it takes household employers 60 hours yearly to comply with all federal and state tax laws. But that's where we, GTM Payroll Services, comes in. We can help remove the hassle, the worry, and risk of household payroll. Plus, you get more time in life for the things that you really enjoy. Get a complimentary, no-obligation consultation with a household employment expert, including a complete guide to household payroll, which you can download for free at gtm.com/household. So if you found that this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when our next video is live. Thanks for watching, and until next time, here are 2 more videos I know you're going to love.